Number 10, Ibisko Ravi 2020. This is the latest romance anime. Mio Sasaki, nicknamed Muge, meaning infinitely mysterious, has a bright personality and is full of energy at school and at home. She is also in love with her classmate Kendo Hinate. Mio tries repeatedly to get Kendo's attention, but he takes no notice of her. She realizes that the only way to get close to him is to transform into a cat, but at some point the boundary between herself and the cat becomes ambiguous. Number 9, Sing Yesterday for Me 2020. This is also the latest romance anime. Be sure to watch it. After college, Rikyu Ozami, a boy without much ambition in life, takes on a job at a convenience store. The days pass by and eventually for Riku until he meets his former girlfriend and classmate, but especially thanks to unusual Haru Nonaka and her pet Raven. Number 8, Weathering with You 2019. This is the one of the best romance anime for new anime viewers and also an old one. This is my personal recommendation. The summer of his high school freshman year, Hodaka runs away from his remote Iceland home to Tokyo and quickly finds himself pushed to his financial and personal limit. The weather is unusually gloomy and rainy every day, as if to suggest his future. He is living his days in isolation but finally finds work as a writer for a mysterious occult magazine. Then one day, Hodaka meets Hina on a busy street corner. This bright and strong-willed girl possesses a strange and wonderful ability, the power to stop the rain and clear the sky. Number 7, Ride Your Wave 2019. The story centers on the relationship between Hinako, who has moved to a coastal town upon entering university, and Minato, a young firefighter who has a strong sense of justice. Minako loves surfing, and while fearless on the sea, she is still uncertain about her future. Following a fire mishap in the town, Hinako and Minato encounter each other. As they spend more time surfing together, Hinako feels down to Minato, who dedicated himself to help others. Number 6, Rascal Does Not Dream of a Bunny Girl Senpai 2019. This is also one of the best romance anime for new anime viewers and old ones. I will prefer to watch this also. Puberty syndrome, a rumor mysterious syndrome that only affects those in their puberty. For example, a bunny girl suddenly appeared in the front of Sakuta Ajusagawa. The bunny girl's real identity is Mai Sakurizuma, a teenage celebrity who is currently in inactive high school senior. For some reason, her charming figure does not reflect in the eyes of others. In the course of revealing the mystery behind these phenomena, Sakuta begins to explore his feelings toward Mai. Set in a city where the skies and seas shine, Sakuta unfolds the meaning behind his bizarre encounter on women with the sad syndrome. Number 5, 3D Girlfriend 2018. This is also one of the best romance anime that I would prefer to new anime viewers and rewatch old anime viewers. Tasui Hikari is an otaku and he mostly avoids social life. Hikari has only one friend at school, which is also a social misfit, and he is mocked brutally by most of his classmates for being creepy and weird. One day he ends up having to clean the school pool with Igarashi Iroha, who appears to be pretty much everything he hates in real life girl. She skips school, has a blunt manner, doesn't have female friend, seems to be sure to be promiscuous. However, she is friendly to Hikari and even stand upon to people who make fun of him. Number 4, Mixed Message Story 2019. Are you a fan of sports or romance? If yes, then here's an anime that contains both romance and sports. The story takes place in the same Meisai Gakuen High School as Touch, only it has 26 years later. Like Touch, Mix revolves around the brothers and baseball as a main theme. Number 3, Skill Teacher Tagaki-san 2019. If you blush, you lose. Living by this principle, the middle schooler Nishikata gets constantly made fun of by his seat neighbor Tagakin-sa. With his pride shattered to pieces, he vows to turn the tables and get back her someday. And so he attempts to tease her day after day, only to find himself victim to Tagakin-san ridicule again sooner than later. Will he be able to make Tagaki-san blush from embarrassment even once in the end? Number 2, Tadaku Never Falls in Love 2018. In the story, Mitsuyashi Tada, a boy who has never known love, is taking picture of the cherry blossom in full bloom when he meets Teresa Wagner, a transfer student from Luxembourg. Upon arriving in Japan, she got lost, separated from her travel companion. Miyazaki helped her and bring her to his grandfather's coffee shop. Number 1. How Clumsy You Are 2019. Unesa, who is in her third year of junior high school, is in love with the concept of falling in love. She makes full use of her invention and tries to show it off to Tanaka, her science club Kohai. I hope friends all of you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed this video then please show your love by likes and comments. And I'm uploading video daily, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, be sure to subscribe our channel and press the notification bell icon. Thank you so much friend. See you in the next video.
From Juliet, and now it's lying on the staircase, begging you please don't go.